Question 10. Emma makes a cuboid using 12 cubes. Write the letter of the cuboid that has a different volume from Emma's cuboid. Now we're going to do this two completely different ways. So the first way you can do it is just by simply counting cubes. So if you put a ring around the front face of cubes there, facing this way, you've got 1, 2, remember this is all one cube. These three faces here are all the same on the same cube. So we've got 1 cube, 2 cubes, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you've got 6 cubes at the front here, but then round the back, which I will highlight in a different colour, if you've got 6 at the front, the back has got the same number because it's all level, so you can have another 6. And 6 plus 6, that's why you've got 12 cubes altogether. Okay, now we're going to do a similar approach on the cubes down here. And we know that 4 of them are also going to be 12. So let's have a look. So around the front face, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So around the back face is also going to be 6. So 6 had 6, that makes 12. So the letter A is also 12. Let's have a go at B. So around the front face here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes. And around the back row of cubes, if there's 6 around the front, there's also going to be 6 around the back. 6 and 6 is also 12, so B is also 12 cubes. Okay, C. Let's just move the toolbox out of the way so we can see what we're doing. So around the front here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes. Now we've got more than 2 rows this time, so around the middle row, which is here, there's also going to be 6 cubes. And around the far row, which is here, there's going to be another 6. Now that's 6 plus 6 plus 6, which actually makes 18. So cuboid C has got 18 cubes. D, well, we've got these at the front. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 at the front. And then we've got same again around the back, so that's another 6. 6 plus 6 makes 12. So D has got 12 cubes. In E, well, that's a nice easy one, because it's just one long strip. So if we just count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So E is 12 cubes. And it says write the letter of the cuboid that has a different volume from Emma's cuboid. Well, Emma's cuboid was 12 cubes. And as you can see, A, B, D and E are also 12. The only one that's different is C. So the answer that we're looking for is letter C. So that's what we need to write on the answer box, letter C. Okay, now I did say we were going to do this two completely different ways. So we'll clear all that. We already know that the answer is C. So let's get to that a different way. Okay. Now you may have also learned a formula for volume of a cuboid, and the volume of a cuboid is length times width times height. So you go that way, and that way, and times all three numbers together. So we've got 2 by 2 by 3, and 2 times 2 times 3, well 2 times 2 is 4, times by 3 is 12. That's where 12 comes from. Now we're going to use that approach on these cuboids down here. So let's have a look. Let's go for A again. So we've got, that's a distance of 1, that way is a distance of 2, and the height is a distance of 6. So on A we've got 1 times 2 times 6. Well, 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 6 is 12. So we're still getting 12. Okay? For B, we come down here, which is 6 squares, cross this way, which is 2 squares, and the height is only 1 square. So this one is 6 by 2 by 1. 6 by 2 is 12, 12 times 1 is still 12. Okay? 12 so far. Now let's do C. We already know that C is the answer that's not 12, but let's have a look why. So down this measurement is 3 squares, across this measurement is also 3 squares, and the height is 2 squares. So this time we've got 3 times 3 times 2. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18. On D we've got down that measurement is 3, across that measurement is 2, and up the height is also 2. So 3 times 2 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12. And finally on E, this is a good one, so we've got 3 squares, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 going that way, 1 going that way, and the height is 1. So this one's going to be 12 times 1 times 1. 12 times 1 is 1. Sorry, 12 times 1 is 12, and 12 times 1 is 12 again. So every single answer is 12 except for letter C, which has a volume of 18. So the answer is still letter C.